So guys, last time I brought the BMW to Road Atlanta. We're trying to test it out to make sure everything is good, all the parts that I put on, and trying to get used to the car, especially with the 265 18s. We did great. Car did 145. I think I could do a little bit better, but whatever the case is, I decided to bring it to SCCA Autocross, and I wanted to really test it out on some tight turns, the cones, and just trying to see if I'm gonna get the car spinned out and whatnot. But I decided to decided to put my old 9 years old tires and 255 40 17s. They are Falken 615, and you know that line on the tire that tells you if the tire need to change or it's done. Yeah, I didn't have any on the tires, but I decided to bring it anyway instead of my 265. So I went to the track. If you don't know how autocross work, basically you sign up, you go there, sign a waiver, they inspect your car. After they inspect your car, so all drivers walk the track so we can learn where all the cones are, so we understand when we're going around the track so we don't miss our cones, so you know how to run the track. And these green cones, obviously by the arrow, you drive on this side. So you go, come around, and you're gonna have some cones coming up. Today's gonna be rainy, so they make this track a bit easier. So you see the cone, you wanna come this side and go through here. If you notice, you have some square here. There's a reason for that. If you hit the cone and the cone come out the square like this, you don't get that much points off. If it come out completely out the box, they take points off. So that's why you want that in the box. Keep going. If you notice here, so you have a bunch of cones line up here. Those are like a wall. So pretend that's a wall. So you see the arrow, you're coming through. You see that one here? Go through, and then you're gonna see some cones up here. Let me show you real quick. If you notice, you have two cones here, two cones here. Those, like, imagine that's a gate. So you have to go through here. If you don't go through here, you disqualify. So you have to go through this gate right here. You go through, you have two green cones pointing that direction. So this is a S. You're gonna do this. So you see the S? So basically, these cones telling you, indicating, okay, the S about to start. So you come around, you go through here, you see the cone again, so you do this again. So it's like this. The hardest thing about autocross is basically remembering where the cones are, because you don't want to miss it, because you will get DNF or we lose points. After we walk the track like 2 to 3 times, it's best to walk as much as you can so you can understand how the track works. After we do that, they split us up in 2 groups, first group and second group. I was a part of the second group. So basically the first group get to run first and the second group work the track. Our job is to make sure people don't hit the cones, or people, if they spin out, we'll get to a red flag or on the walkie-talkie and tell the guys, hey, is a DNF. Or if we see any debris or crazy people want to walk on the track, we do red flags. I'm going to show you the fastest time for the day, and pay attention to the car, how it goes around the cones, because the sway bar, it really did its job. It's worth the upgrade. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoy the run and you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave in the comment below. And good news, before you go, good news, I heard from the DME company and it's fixable. So hopefully this week we can finally get the E60 on the dyno because you need to start making power. Anyway guys, talk to you guys later.